First methane-powered sea spiders found crawling on the ocean floor heat-trapping methane may be best known for the dangers it poses to humans and Earth's atmosphere. But in the dark depths of the ocean, the greenhouse gas is a nourishing meal for some of the world's most mysterious creatures, new research suggests. Scientists say they have discovered 3 previously unnamed species of sea spider off the U.S. West Coast that could be teaming up with bacteria to thrive off gas bubbling from the seafloor in sparsely studied marine habitats known as methane seeps thousands of feet below the ocean's surface. In this symbiotic relationship, bacteria take up real estate on the spider's exoskeletons, and in return, the microbes convert carbon-rich methane and oxygen into sugars and fats the spiders can eat, according to a study published Monday in the journal Proceedings of the National Academy of Sciences. Just like you would eat eggs for breakfast, the sea spider grazes the surface of its body, and it munches all those bacteria for nutrition, said Shanna Goffretti, a professor and chair of biology at Occidental College in Los Angeles and the study's principal investigator. This unique nutrition strategy has never been observed in sea spiders before, she said. Other species of sea spiders share more in common with their terrestrial cousins, using large tuba-like fangs to capture, immobilize, and suck the fluids from soft-bodied prey, such as jellyfish, Goffretti explained. But lab observations of the newfound species, part of the Cercospora genus, revealed they lack the necessary appendages to capture prey, making them more akin to farmers harvesting methane-fueled bacteria from their own bodies. It's possible the spiders and their hitchhiking microbes play a crucial role in preventing methane, a natural gas thought to exacerbate global warming, from reaching Earth's atmosphere, according to Goffretti. While the deep sea feels really far away, all organisms are interconnected. Even though they're small, these animals have a big impact in that environment, Goffretti said. We can't ever hope to sustainably use the oceans if we don't really understand the oceans. The methane diet may be good for everyone. Light from the sun doesn't reach the deep-sea ecosystem where the newly described Cercospora spider species make their home. To survive in this dark environment, microbes evolved to use chemicals instead of sunlight for energy, explained marine biologist Nicole Dubelier, a professor and director of the Department of Symbiosis at the Max Planck Institute for Marine Microbiology in Germany. Dubelier was not involved in the study. After marine life dies, it sinks to the seafloor and becomes buried, Dubelier said. In the process of decomposition, methane gas is released, escaping through the cracks of sediment as bubbles. Instead of floating away with the whims of the water column, the microbes that feed on the methane attach themselves to sea animals to remain among the bubbles. By analyzing isotopes in the spider's tissues, the scientists determined the bacteria weren't just hitching a ride from an 8-legged friend, they were also being eaten. This is really the beauty of the symbiosis between the two. The bacteria get that perfect Goldilocks zone with everything they need, Dubelier said. Even if 80% of the population are eaten by the spiders, it's worth it for the 20% to keep surviving and reproducing. While these Cercospora species are the first sea spiders caught feeding on the methane-fueled microbes, other deep-sea animals such as tube worms and sponges are known to share the rare diet, Dubelier noted. Since the deep-sea ecosystem likely plays such a key role in keeping methane away from Earth's atmosphere, Goffretti said one day, the same type of microbes found on the Cercospora spiders could be cultured to reduce water contaminants elsewhere. A meal for the next generation of sea spiders. The newly discovered Cercospora spiders are translucent and only span about 0.4 inch 1 centimeter in length, so they likely can't travel very far, Goffretti said. In fact, each of the 3 sea spider species collected for the study were from different areas off the coast of Southern California and Alaska, a clue that the populations are highly localized. Since the spiders are so small, many of their organs are found inside of their appendages. To mate, the female spiders shoot hundreds of eggs from their kneecaps, which the male spiders collect into sac-like bundles looped around their legs like bracelets, the study found. Once the eggs hatched, Goffredy's team noticed bacteria living on the father spiders attached itself to the hatchlings, providing them with an early source of food. Studying microbiome inheritance in animals could potentially help scientists understand more about how humans' gut bacteria, for example, is passed between mothers and newborn children, Dubelier said. Further exploration of the seafloor could also uncover additional, similar sea spider species, Goffredy said. People tend to think of the deep sea as a kind of homogeneous ecosystem, but that's actually untrue. There's a lot of biodiversity by region, and animals are very localized to specific habitats on the seafloor, Goffredy said. You have to be very careful if you decide to use the seafloor for mining, for example. We don't want to cause any kind of irreparable harm to very specific habitats that aren't found anywhere else.